Hey guys, welcome back to Mom and Sons, and today we are making an Oreo mug cake. In the last recipe we had made a chocolate mug cake. Now let's get started. First we will take 3 tablespoons maida. Now we will add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. Now we will add 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Now we will add half teaspoon vanilla. Now we will mix it well. Now we will add wet ingredients. First we will take 2 tablespoons milk. Now we will add half tablespoon vegetable oil. Now we will add 3 regular Oreo cookies. Hey Ayan, which flavor do you like in Oreo? Do you like the caramel, strawberry, chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate.
Oh. Now we will bake it for 1 minute 30 seconds.
मैं बंद करना नहीं बंद मैं ओपन बंद
Now look, only 15 seconds left. Then we can take out our yummy Oreo mug cake. Ayan, press the button. Look at that. Look, our Oreo mug cake is ready. We added 1 Oreo over here. Okay, now let's eat it. And if you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video on Twitter or Facebook. Bye.
Bye.